What's up everybody? Today I'm gonna explain you Bybit's new launch pool and the launch pool tokens at today is Ondo Finance's Ondo Token. As you can see from my screen right now, I'm on the Bybit Launchpool blog website and announcements website. And as you can see in there, Ondo Launchpool is happening on the Bybit, and if you wanna get some free tokens, yes, you're right, and your ears working very well because Ondo tokens is 1000% so free. Ondo token is utility token on Ondo Finance, and every period starting at January 18, 2024, 8 a.m. And the deadline for launch pool, end date is 1 February. It's happening on the 2024. That's here. It's so normal. And during this period, you can stake your own Ondo tokens and USDY, mUSD, or USDT if you want to earn some free Ondo tokens. And if you want to get Binance Launchpool page, by the way, I will provide you this link, announcements.bybit.com website page, and you can get some additional information about on the launch pool and some pools to stake to earn on the pool, USDT pool, and etc. And then, as you can see from my screen, there's additional information about new listings, latest activities, latest Bybit news, and etc. That's why I have to do that. I should provide you this link. By the way, you have no account, I will provide you Bybit discount exchange referral link, and you can use easily. Just click this link, which one I will provide you this link, and then create your own account. And you can ask me a question why I to do that, because if you want to get some commissions containing 20%, for example, if you create your account without any reference link, you pay, for example, $1 commission. But on the other hand, if you are using our referral link to create your own Bybit account, you will get 20% commission discount. That means you will pay just 80 USDT or another coins. And nevertheless, I will provide you, I said again, and you can take a look to get additional information. And right now I'm on the Finance launch pool, and as you can see in there are a lot of tokens pools on the pool, USDT pool, USDY pool, and mUSD pool. But right now you can stake your own tokens. For example, that's on the pool. You can just use your own Ondo token to stake to earn. And for example, you have no Ondo token on USDY or mUSD, it doesn't matter. There is no problem. You have a USDT, okay, you can stake it to earn, and there are available 1,800,000 Ondo token to earn, and there is a high APR, and that, as you can see from my screen, APR ratio is 400%, and USDY pool and another pools are also, but there's a little bit different because Ondo pool have a lot of Ondo tokens, and Ondo pool's token count more than other pools. For example, USDT pool has a 1,800,000 on the pool, but USDY and mUSD pool is less than other pools, and the biggest pool is just on the pool, and it's have highest APR ratio. But don't worry about that because you have no any Ondo tokens. You can use USDT, USDY, and mUSDT, and there is no any campaign right now because, as you can see from my screen, there's available just coming soon button. That means we are not able to stake our tokens to earn. But don't worry about that, I say it again, because we have a Telegram group to discuss something, for example, on the pool launching time. And if you want to be firstly in there, you can follow our account, Coin Engineer account on Twitter, because I will provide you so quick and fast information, and you can join our Telegram. I will provide you these links. And yeah, if you want to get any more, don't forget to subscribe our channel, smash the like button. Yeah, that's it. Join Telegram and follow on Twitter. See you on the next bullish time, dude.